Hi everybody, please subscribe to the eyes of Owen.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You forget me.
Just been texting Bangkok Park and he's told me to go and have a look at something called a Owen or Owen Canal. So I've got it in my Google Maps. It's a 7-minute walk. It was only a 5-minute walk a minute ago. Let's see if I can find it. And then I've got to go to Ratchawang Pier. Well, I followed the directions of Google Maps and it's took me onto this Owen Canal, and obviously that's a canal here. There's no ear. There's no ear, Pat. Unless I'm not quite at the place, but I've seen this before on YouTube. Doesn't seem to be anything here. Apart from a bit of graffiti. I've arrived at nothing. Sorry, car. This monitor lizard here. I wonder if it'd go for you if you was in there or not. It'd be pretty scary if that came swimming up to you. That's quite a big size, is that, you know? Just glide, don't they? Just use a tail. Right. I think I found that Owen or Owen Canal. Google Maps took me over that way. I just walked back and I've spotted out the corner of my eye this hive of activity, so I'm going to have a look around here. Now whether this is Owen Canal or not, or just part of it, I don't know. I think I'll go down the left hand side. Just a little bit like Chinatown. Oh man, it's warm now. Nice street down here.
Trắng á, không phải khổ.
Leo. Well, perhaps this is the part that Bangkok Park meant, and Google Maps took me to the wrong side. This looks alright. A little bit laid back. Neat like that.
สุกี้ครับ
อร่อยไหม
อร่อย
Pet? Pet ไหม
ไม่เป็น
ไม่ pet โอเคขอบคุณมากครับ
ตอนนี้เย็นเอา
Right, when I get to the end of here, I'm going to try and find. It's told me about a viewing bridge, and then I want to head to that Ratchawang Pier. There's a few little side saws coming off here. But I'm quickly running out of steam. I'm doing some walking today. I like all like these little side saws. Have a look down here. This is what I like. Stuff like this. A little bit of culture. The only thing that it's 5'4" on that. don't know if you're allowed down here. Sorry, Cap. Okay, Cap. Oh, okay, maybe not, Cap. Have we gone in someone's house? Bang me die. Cannot go. Turn back. สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีค่ะ
รัชวังเพียอยู่ที่ไหนครับ
คะ
รัชวังเพียรู้ไหม
รัชวัง
รัชวังเพีย
นะคะรัชวัง
รัชวังเพีย
ราชวังถ้าราชวังต้องไปทางนู้นค่ะฝั่งนู้นค่ะพี่บอกเขาหน่อยค่ะ
That side. You have to go.
Oh,
The road behind this one.
that way,
Yeah,
yeah.
that way. Yeah.
Ah,
Yeah, it's the road behind here, but it's that way.
okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Come on, Cap. Being directed off an Indian man. The road behind this one. สบายดีไหมทำอะไรครับ
อาบน้ำครับ
โอ้ฟอสซิตหนังสวยนะ เข้าใจ
น้ำเข้านี่ออกขึ้นบน
โอเค สวยนะ I couldn't remember how to say, sometimes you go blank, how many hours he's been doing that. I couldn't, sometimes you can't remember. This is like a little bit oldie worldy. Quite nice. I'm absolutely, every inch of my body, too much information I know, dripping in sweat. Very close now and humid. So these guys doing a little bit of work here. Don't know what they're doing. I took a wrong turn then because I'm trying to be a smart ass. I don't fully understand how to use Google Maps yet. So instead of just putting one destination in, I tried to put two different ones and then see if it'd take me to the nearest one first, save a bit of time. But it just confused it. So I've sussed it out now and I'll just put the Ratchawang Pier in. I'll go there. Now I don't know if that's nearer the Sky Bridge or further, but I'm not bothered. I'll get there first, maybe get a drink and see what it's like. Fancy just going on a little bit of a boat trip down the river, cool off, just for a few stops, and maybe end up I think it's called Setan Taksin, where I can get the BTS back to Asok. That's the plan anyway. But it's good to be out and about exploring. This guy sells katip for your sticky rice. Walking around, have I felt threatened once? Has anybody tried to take anything off me or con me? No. The only, it's not an annoyance, but the only people who do approach you are the tuk-tuk drivers. But fair play to them, they only try to earn a living. And if you just know how to say no and whatever, they smile and drive off and leave you alone. So yeah, I feel safer walking around here than sometimes I do in my own city, through some of the estates and through the town centre late at night or whatever. So Looks a little bit oldie worldy Bangkok over there. Some old houses. And I've got to go around there. But first of all, I've got to get across here. At that crossing. Come on, Owen, use your loaf. Use your loaf, Owen. Or we can make a break for it. Good job I'm nimble on my feet. Right, where is this at now? Oh, it's not far now. 500 metres. 6 minutes. There must be some slow walkers about. I've been here before actually. I can remember this little junction. And I think that's a Shangri-La hotel, is it? Or is it not? I'm not sure. It's a temple. Google Maps. It's good when you know how. I think I've been here before. Looks familiar. Now this is a proper Bangkok to me. These sort of scenes. Little street carts, people asleep in the street. Got tuk-tuk drivers sitting having some lunch. Chilling and relaxing. No one hassling you. Oh yeah. God knows now how far I am from Hualampong station. Absolutely no idea. I could put it in here, couldn't I? But seems like I've walked forever. So the river, 100 metres ahead. I've been here before, I remember that 7-Eleven. I remember that 7-Eleven over there. Because I got myself a drink. And then Roy Harsip, I think, 3 or 4 years ago. So anyway, found it. Now I've got to get a boat along the river, cool down. Before I get a ticket, I'm going to see how. I don't think I'll better make it to that sky bridge. Too much hassle. This is proper Thailand. Proper Thailand. Worth getting up for this. Worth getting out of bed for this morning just to see this little bit. Beautiful.
Why you won't make me do?